Hi, let's do straight stitch today. Now, a straight stitch. Just go anywhere from point to point. Depends on what design you have. You can do this. You can have a star shape, for example. It can be from top to bottom, or from bottom to top. So this is an example of a straight stitch. Alright, so straight stitch basically is just one stitch from one end to another end. Straight stitch is a stitch where you don't have much rules about it. Just go from one point to another point, just like little branches like this. Right, there is no specific directions or right or wrong, so you just go along the lines. Okay. Alright, of course, can do back stitch for longer lines. Right. Okay, stitches like this current one is just like a straight stitch. Go from anywhere. So this is how you do a straight stitch. Okay, here I'll go back to doing back stitch the way up to the main branch. The smaller branches we would use straight stitch.